Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Telegram account permanently. So actually it is very easy. First of all, we need to open Telegram, and here open our profile by clicking on the little profile icon in the bottom right corner. And from here we need to scroll down and click on the privacy and security with a little lock icon. So as we are here, we need to scroll down a little bit and until we will see automatically delete my account if away for, and we need to click on this button if away for. It will show us a little list, so we need to click on the last option here called delete account now. So as we click on it, we will have some alternative options. So if we don't want to delete account, we can just simply add another account, quickly delete our chats. But if you still want to delete your account, all you have to do now is to simply click on the delete my account button and your account will be deleted and permanently. And basically that is it. That is how you can delete your account on Telegram permanently. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.